Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sign up and use the Outlier AI. So, if you've ever wondered how people are earning money by helping train artificial intelligence, well, one of the biggest platforms in this space is the Outlier AI, where freelancers complete AI training tasks from home and get paid for their work. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what Outlier AI is and how the sign process works. Now, I do want to be transparent. Outlier AI is currently not available in my current location, so I cannot personally create an account or demonstrate the inside of the dashboard. So everything I'll discuss in this video based on the Outlier's official documentation and publicly available information, so you can still understand exactly how the platform works. Okay, so first is we have to visit the website. So just open any of your web browser and then search for outlier.ai. Okay, so Outlier AI is a freelance platform operated by Scale AI that hires experts and generalists to help improve artificial intelligence models. Instead of writing articles or designing graphics, your work involves helping AI become smarter and more accurate. So some common tasks include like writing prompts, evaluating AI generated responses, and then ranking multiple answers, correcting mistakes, writing ideal responses, reviewing factual accuracy, and more. So yeah, just tap on the view opportunity option. So these human evaluations are then used to improve future AI models. Now, who can apply to Outlier AI? So Outlier recruits people from many different backgrounds. So some opportunities are designed software developers, engineers, mathematics, scientists, lawyers, medical professionals, teachers, writers, translators, business professionals, and college graduates. So there are also more general AI training projects that don't require advanced technical knowledge, although specialized expertise often leads to higher paying opportunities. Okay, so how we can actually sign up? So again, just visit the website and then let me just go back here. Then you have this login option at the top right. So you can continue with your Google or use your email. Okay, so you just have to follow the sign up process. If you are eligible, if your current location is eligible to create an account. Okay, so again, you will create an account using your email address or a Google account. Okay, the next one is you have to complete your profile. So, for example, you're applying for this specific job. So, you have to provide your education, your work experience, your skills, and areas of expertise. So, be as detailed as possible because this information helps Outlier match you with a suitable projects. And then, of course, you have to verify your identity. So, Outlier requires identity verification. You will typically need a valid government issued ID and a phone verification. And remember that only one account per person is allowed, and you should avoid using VPNs or creating duplicate accounts because doing so may result in account deactivation. Okay, now the next one is you have to validate your skills or complete the skill assessment. So, depending on your expertise, you may receive assessment. For example, coding, writing, mathematics, languages, logic, and subject specific knowledge. So, passing these assessments helps determine which projects you qualify for. And then you just have to wait for the project assessment. All right. So one thing many beginners do not realize is that approval does not guarantee immediate work. So project availability depends on your skills, your location, of course, client demand, and the available projects. Right? And some people receive projects quickly while others may wait days or even weeks. So it will really depend on your skills or the required skills for that specific job that you are applying for. Now, how can you actually make money? So once you've signed a project, so for example, we already have this project, we apply for this one, all right, and then we pass the all of the required requirements. So once you are assigned to a project, you will begin completing the AI training task. So depending on the project, you might compare two AI responses, choose the better answers, rewrite incorrect responses, write difficult prompts, check factual accuracy, review reasoning, label data, and follow detailed project guidelines. So each project clearly displays its pay rate before you begin, and rates vary based on the complexity of the work, your expertise, and your location. So the Outlier processes payments weekly through supported payment methods such as PayPal, RTM, or ACH, bank transfers where available. All right. So now, tips to increase your chances of success. So let me just go back here and let me show you some other available jobs. So you can search for a specific job right here, and then for a specific location and the skills that you are looking for or the skill that you have. So you find the suitable job for you. Okay, so here are some few tips for anyone interested in working on Outlier AI. So first is you have to build a strong resume that clearly highlights your education and professional experience. Second is you have to complete every onboarding step carefully and honestly. And third, always follow project instructions exactly. And fourth, never use AI tools, automated typing software, or just copied answers to complete tasks. If the project requires original human work, Outlier has system to detect violations, and accounts can be suspended or deactivated for breaking the platform rules. And remember that this is just a freelance work. The amount of available work can change over time. So it is best viewed as flexible income rather than guaranteed full-time employment. Okay, now let us, answer this question if the Outlier AI worth it. If you're looking for flexible online work and enjoy problem solving, writing, reviewing content, and more, okay, so Outlier can be an interesting opportunity. So the biggest advantages include flexible schedule, weekly payments, remote work, and opportunities to build experience in AI. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.